Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 6.2, question 28. This is a creative question. This question I will solve today. Dear students, before this class, I have taken class on the addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction. In this class, I will solve a creative question on the basis of that topic. Okay, dear students, now see the question at first. Three algebraic fractions are x by x plus y, x by x minus 4y, y by x square minus 3xy minus 4y square. This is our stem. First question is factorize the denominator of the third fraction. Question B is express the first and second fractions with equal denominator. Third question C, find the sum of the given three fractions. Okay, dear students, now see the solution. First question A. Here we have to factorize the denominator of the third fraction. What is the third fraction? Third fraction is y by x square minus 3xy minus 4y square. So denominator of third fraction is x square minus 3xy minus 4y square. We have to factorize this. Okay, dear student. So we can write given the denominator of the third fraction is x square minus 3xy minus 4y square. Dear students, in this case you have to apply the technique of, here is x square, here is index of x is 1. So the index of x is half of the index of first x square. Here is x square. So we have to apply the middle term factor here. So we have to express middle term as two terms. So we can write these factors of 4 are 4 and 1. As 3 is minus, so we have to take 4 as minus and 1 as plus. So we can write 4xy minus 4xy plus xy, as here is one coefficient minus 4y square. We can write the x denominator, it means this expression in this way. Now take x as common from first two terms. From these two terms, take x as common, we will get x minus 4y, and take 1 as common from last two terms, you will get, take y as common, you will get x minus 4y. So we can take x minus 4y as common now, x minus 4y, then x plus y will be left. So here are two factors. This means this expression we can express as product of two factors. So this is done for first question. So answer of A is x minus 4y and x plus y. Dear students, I have done first question A. Now I have to solve question B. What is question B? Question B is find the sum of the given question B is express the first and second fractions with equal denominator. So we have to write the first and second fraction at first. Given first fraction is x by x plus y, and second fraction is x by x minus 4y. These two fractions are given. We have to express these two fractions as fractions with equal denominator, means common denominator. Dear students, you know, to express some fractions with equal denominator or common denominator, you have to do the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions at first. So do the LCM of the denominators. So we can write, therefore the LCM of the denominators x plus y and x minus 4y is, as there is no factor common here, so LCM will be their product, x plus y and x minus 4y. Okay, dear students, we have done the LCM. Now the rules is we have to divide the LCM by each denominator, then we will get a quotient. We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator of the fraction, respective fraction, with that quotient. Okay, dear students, so you can write first fraction. Now first fraction, that is x by x plus y. Dear students, now see here denominator is x plus y. So if we divide the LCM by x plus y, this x plus y vanishes, quotient will be x minus 4y. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by x minus 4y. So we can write x into x minus 4y. So we can write here x plus y multiply by x minus 4y. Okay, dear students, so if we multiply, we will get here x into x minus 4y and here x plus y into x minus 4y. Okay, dear students, I have done the first fraction. Now I have to do the second fraction. Second fraction, that is x by x minus 4y. Dear students, notice that here denominator is x minus 4y. So if we divide the LCM by x minus 4y, this x minus 4y will vanishes and x plus y will be the quotient. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator of the second fraction by x plus y. So we can write here x into x plus y, here x minus 4y into x plus y. So if we multiply, we will get now in the numerator x into x plus y, and in the denominator we will get x plus y into x minus 4y. Okay, dear students, it means that I have expressed both the first and second fractions in with common denominator or with equal denominator. Here denominator is x plus y into x minus 4y, here denominator is x plus y and x minus 4y. It means that the denominators of both fractions are same. So we can write these two fractions are required fractions of our question B. So we can write the answer. Answer is x into x minus 4y by x plus y into x minus 4y. Okay, dear students, and second fraction is x into x plus y by x plus y into x minus 4y. This is our answer of the question B. Okay, dear students, now I will solve question C. Find the sum of the given three fractions. We have to find the sum of the given three fractions. Dear students, here given three fractions we can write in C. We can write given first fraction, that is x by x plus y. Second fraction, that is x by x minus 4y. And third fraction, that is y by x plus y into x minus 4y. We no need to write directly here x square minus 3xy, 4y square is given. If we factorize this, we have factorized this in the question A. So we can write directly this 2 factor and in the denominator. So we can write x plus y into x minus 4y. Now we have to find the sum of these three fractions. Therefore, the sum means we have to add these three fractions, x by x plus y plus y by plus x by x minus 4y plus y by x plus y x minus 4y. Dear students, remember that if you don't factorize the denominator here, you can write this fraction here, and in the next line you can factorize. But I have factorized here. For this I have written directly this here. Okay, now do the LCM of denominators. Here LCM is x plus y is common here in this 2 denominator, and x plus y, x minus 4y is common in this 2 denominator, x minus 4y. LCM of these 3 denominators are x plus y and x minus 4y. Now divide by x plus y, x minus 4y left, so we can write x into x minus 4y. Here is addition, so addition sign we have to give. Then x divide by this, you will get only x plus y, so x into x plus y, x plus y. Now the next one, we have to divide the LCM by these 2, so these 2 vanishes, only 1 left, so only y will be here. Now multiply, this is x square minus 4 x y plus x square plus xy plus y. So we can write here x plus y into x minus 4y. Okay, now calculate x square, and x square is 2x square here, minus 4xy and plus xy. It means that minus 3xy. If we calculate, we will get here, and here is y, here is y. So we can write x plus y to x minus 4y. This is our required sum of question C. This is our required sum of question C. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood. So our answer of question C is y divided by x plus y into x minus 4y. Okay, dear students, I hope understood. I hope that you have understood our today's lecture, and depending on previous lecture and today's lecture, 3 questions are given for your homework. These 3 questions are 25. Simplify, this means addition, subtraction here. The rules is you have to do the LCM of the denominators, then divide the LCM by its denominator and multiply the numerator of respective fraction by that quotient and then calculate in the numerator. You will get the required answer. In this way you have to solve question 25, 26 and 27. These 3 questions are given for your homework. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.